Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to draw this drawing. Okay, so this one is 100, height is 65. Okay, this length is 30. In this one offset is 20. This one is 10. This one distance also 10. Okay, now we are going to see the in AutoCAD by using this measurement. Okay guys, so now here I am going to draw like 100. Enter, enter, then 65, enter, same PLA, enter, 65, enter, then next this one is 30, enter, this one also 30, enter. So now middle one you have to take 65 height, then double enter, offset 10, this side one more time, this side also same thing. Now we are going to draw the here line to here. Now we have to offset below also 10, enter, select down, and this one also down. Okay, now we are going to draw the line, this one too. Now we will zoom it. See, now we have to trim it. Select all, then remove this one also. Now we don't need. Remove. So drawing is now it is ready. See, this one, this part also is there. So now we are going to give the dimensions. See here, select linear, then select here to here, it will 65, 100, 65, 30, this one also 30. See here to in between middle 20, this one is 10, up to here 10. Okay guys, like this we can draw the drawing by using measurement. Okay guys, thank you so much.